Welcome back to Channel 1. I'm going to be working on another battery that is not charging. I did one once before for the 80 volt Kolbolt. This is the 40 volt Kolbolt. And this one actually worked out pretty good for me. Is they gave me the charger, the battery, and a weed whacker that went along with it. So they said it wouldn't work. I told them I'm pretty sure all I need to do is jump start the battery, but they wanted nothing to do with it. So I got it for nothing. So you gotta love free. So when you plug it in, you should start getting a flashing light, and we're not. This has been setting for a long time, they said, so all we need to do is jump start the battery. And people are doing this all over the internet. The best way that I have found to do this, in my other video, I had to have a higher voltage. This one here, all I need is just a 12 volt power supply. And you can pick up these anywhere. This is an old Radio Shack power supply here, 12 volts. And I made a couple of leads here to hook onto my positive and my negative. And I purposely make sure that I have the red for positive and black for negative, just to make sure that I'm plugging them in the right area. So all you have to do is on the battery itself, it's going to be marked positive and negative. Take your terminals that you've made up and plug it into the negative and plug it into the positive, just like that. And I generally leave this for about 5 minutes. That's it. I've heard of other people leaving them on there for a little bit longer. Just for safety reasons, 5 minutes is what I found to work okay. Go ahead and turn on your power supply and just let it run for about 5 minutes. Come back to it, plug it into your charger, and you should be all set. What's happening is these chargers are so intelligent, they're looking for a little bit of voltage, so it recognizes that battery. Once it sees that battery, it will start to charge. And hopefully this works. Doing this live, so we'll give it a shot. I'll be back. Okay, it's been about 5 minutes, so let's go ahead, turn our power supply off. Let's pull our leads, get that out of the way. Now, in theory, we put enough power into this battery to let the charger know that there's a battery there. So if we plug this in, make sure we get it lined up right. The light should start flashing, and there we go. The light is flashing. So now I'm not exactly sure how long it takes for this to charge up. So I'll set my timer. I'll let it go, and we'll come back. We'll actually put it in the weed whacker, and we should be all set to go. So just a quick little simple little thing that you can do with the battery just to boost it. So all right, we'll be back. Okay, I just came back a half an hour later, and this is not good. We have a red light, so it's telling us, according to the diagram here, that the battery is bad. So I can do one or two things. I can take this apart, find the bad cell that's there, replace a cell, or buy a new battery. I looked online, and the batteries for this go anywhere from $150 to $175. Or I can buy the string trimmer, new battery, and a charger, and the whole 9 yards for a couple $100. It's not worth it to me because I picked it up for nothing, so I'm just going to kind of hang on to it. So I'm going to go ahead and post this video anyways, just to show you that not everything always goes as planned. So the battery is bad, so there we go. But I did show you how you could quickly boost the battery to get it started, so you can kind of at least check and see what's going on. Well, I hope this helps you in one way or another, and stay tuned for the next one.